Enjaz bank app download from Play Store. I have already downloaded, so I directly opening that link. While opening, you can select your language, whichever you need it. I have selected English, and while entering to this app, you need to log in. So you have to enroll your details. In English, you can select your language. Here, legal ID, in the sense your ICAMA number you have to enter. Your ICAMA number. Here I am entering a random number. Very helpful for money transfer at free of cost from their own ATM only. And card number which provided by the Angels Bank for transaction. The card ATM card number you have to enter here, and card pin. Before you have to activate your card and reset your pin in the ATM. If you go bank, there you can reset. This is a 4-digit PIN number, bank ATM card. CAF number, in the sense, is a transaction number while you are first time transacting from the bank to your Indian account. Then they will provide customer information number, in the sense customer transaction number, your own number which belongs to bank. Every time you have to send your money through this number only. You can't change. Unique number for one person. And you have to press next, and then you will get username, password, and confirm password, email ID. It is for your regular person. Every time you are opening your uh, account details in your app, you have to enter your username and password in this app. Without that, you can't access your transaction. Every time opening, you will get a message to your phone. That pin you have to enter here, not here while opening. Then only it gets open, or else is not get open. Email ID is required. Every transaction details you will get received through this email ID. One more, email username, you have to put between 8 to 14 digit. More than 8, below than 14 it should be. And password should not be repeated, in the sense AA, it's 2 digits, can't repeat. Unique, every single word. ADLG 123 voice, like that you have to enter, or else it won't accept. Later you can change your own password in while entering to this app. There is a setting you can change that easily, but while first time you have to put a unique password. Don't repeat any number or any alphabet same, in the sense Rahman, RAHAMA, two times A come, so it won't accept. So what you have to do, XYZ 123, like that you can put. Don't repeat, that's it. And later you can change. If you press enter, next you will get the option, a slice option below that in the red column. If you slice left, swipe left, it will cancel. If you have to swipe to right, so it accept. Then you'll get access to enter that app, this app. The thing is, you have to remember that whenever you want to put money to this app, you have to go their own ATM. See, here I am logging in, username and password. You can log through another option. See, here is the ATM pin, not ATM, it's a pin access. While username and password, if you put, you'll get message to your mobile number you have provided by the belongs to your um, ICAMA number. If you put what you have given a number to that ICAMA, in that number you will get receive your that OTP pin. If you enter, then you will get login to that, and then you have to add beneficiary. While adding beneficiary, you have to go through this all process. First, they will ask country, which country, to which country you have to send your money. I selected India, and they will ask which bank. I selected SBI, and later they will ask code, branch code. Every branch has their unique code. If you don't know, you can select, you can search in your Google while putting your bank details. Then it will come, and your account number, and here currency details, beneficiary currency, and this in the sense which country you are sending. I'm sending India. Indian currency is INR, Indian National Rupees, and relations with the beneficiary. I'm selecting here personal, in the sense I have own my bank account in India, so I'm sending to my personal account. So beneficiary name, in the sense your name, in the sense if you want to send your brother account, you can enter your brother name and brother account details, everything. Here I have my own, so I am putting my own name and my bank IFSC number. It's compulsory. Very good app, as per my knowledge. Very useful and easy. At your room, you can send your money. The thing is, you have to put your money to this account through ATM, their own bank ATM card, IFSC number. And below that option is belongs to you. If you want, you can put description, in the sense your bank, your address in that bank, and bank address, in the sense bank, where your bank located. It's a bank address you have to put here, and your account number, no, sorry, phone number which provided in your bank, Indian phone number. To that number you get message, and you have to swipe right here to confirm. Then it gets automatically register your details to in beneficiary column. So here is the main page of this app. I selected transfer, then this will come, and to beneficiary. I have already entered. See now initiative. I have already entered, so I clicked on it, and you have to put your currency, and this is Saudi Riyal. How much you have to send? I entering 6,500. Purpose, why? Personal savings. Personal saving, my account number. Why? Which amount you're sending? My salary account, salary transfer. So source from Saudi Arabia. Next, if you put there is a some bunch of details it come, and how much transfer, and what is the exchange rate, and how it will be in Indian rupees. Transfer fees zero. There is no fees, so you have to swipe to confirm. Then it will automatically goes to bank, and they will, then you will get a message that you have debited to your bank. And don't forget to change your ATM pin. Um, while opening, you entered a unique that you won't remember, so you can change here option pin change. Easily can change your pin, and whenever you want to go, see here is a enter pin, new pin we can enter. Remember, it's very important that you have to uh, deposit your money in the its own ATM. In the sense, Enjas Bank app. Enjas having their own ATM cards, ATM sets. You have to go there. There only you have to go deposit cash, or else there is some service charges if you want to put other banks. That is the details which I am going to given here, and you can recharge your phone also here. Mobile I'm recharging, and service number, yeah, service line number in the sense your mobile number here. If you put next, how much amount you have to recharge to your bank. See, service charge 15%. If you confirm it, you get recharge. If not confirm, it get cancelled. These are the things, and this is the option. Here is the card details and beneficiary details transfer. Everything is here. You can change your password. Everything. This OTP comes while you're every time opening this app. You get every time this option, and you receive OTP to your mobile number, which you have feeded Ikama. While giving Ikama, you have given a number. That number To that number you will receive message. Even while opening bank account also, they ask for your mobile number. You have to give same number while opening a account number, bank account, to that bank to that account number. Sorry, while opening bank bank account, you have to provide your mobile number. To that number, you received every needed information to that mobile number, even in this OTP also. Thank you. Please don't subscribe and don't like. Thank you. It's my small help for you.